This is red meat, so I'm going to cook it on the rare side because people who eat their red meat well done are savages. But if you're cooking at really hot temperatures, you don't want to use extra virgin olive oil, no matter what Rachel Ray tells me. Oh, yeah, and it's fattier, and I eat a lot of it, that's why I'm fatty. Garbage in, garbage out. I'm going to close this because if you're looking, you're not cooking. You know, yes, you know, people skewer this stuff, but like, by the time you put all the fucking skewers in, like, just like use your tongs and be quick about it. Gram sausages. Judging by the size of them, they came from a substantial animal. Made these yet? They're enormous turkey burgers. It's like they're gigantic. These are turkey burgers. What kind of turkey did these come from?